Hello, my name is Dr. Stacia Viscarda, and I am Associate Dean of Health Professions at Reading Area Community College. I'd like to talk with you about our health professions programs. We have 4 health profession programs, and 3 of them are Associates in Applied Science programs. Our first one is the Associate's Degree in Nursing, our second is Respiratory Care, and our third is Medical Lab Technician. We also offer a credit certificate program in our Practical Nursing. Why healthcare? Why should you consider a career in healthcare? Number one, it's in demand. In our area and across our nation, registered nurses, lab technicians, practical nurses, and respiratory care therapists are in high demand. The second is our job placement rate is very high from RAC. Our students, our graduates from Reading Area Community College are in high demand. We have a 100% job placement rate in all programs. Why healthcare? Again, salary. Typically, when a student graduates from one of our health professions programs, they can earn anywhere from $50,000 to $60,000 within their first year of graduation. Tuition, we are a value-added school. We offer quality, rigorous programs that help an individual prepare for a career in healthcare. When you graduate from our programs, you will be a competent practitioner ready to enter practice. All of our students are in high demand in this area, in Berks County and far beyond Berks County. So let me give you an example of when I say about RAC's tuition being value added and why an associate degree may be the right choice for you. So when an individual graduates from a nursing program, whether it be a diploma program, a 2-year associate's, or a 4-year bachelor's program, those individuals, those graduates, take the same entry exam. It's called the NCLEX. So when I graduate from a diploma or a bachelor's program, I'm going to take that same entrance exam. In a 2-year degree, I can graduate in 2 years. I can take that NCLEX exam and I could be working at that time. I could be paying off my tuition. I could be paying down my debt. And oftentimes when an individual is employed, they can continue on in their career path, going towards and working on a bachelor's degree, working on a master's degree. In fact, Reading Area Community College has a large amount of affiliation agreements, and those affiliation agreements allow an individual with an associate's degree to graduate, be in the workforce, and at the same time work towards a bachelor's degree. So what can you expect in a healthcare program at RAC? You can expect to have experienced faculty. These are individuals who have worked, currently work, or have had long careers in healthcare. So if you have a faculty member who is teaching a lab, that individual has worked in that chosen area. They were a specialist in that area. So if you are learning pediatrics, that faculty member would have worked in pediatrics, that they could speak to that specialty. Academic support. At RAC, you can expect a high degree of academic support. As I mentioned, our programs are very rigorous to prepare you for entry-level safe practice. So in the form of academic support, we have student services, we have tutoring, math, science tutoring. We also have an academic success coach. And we realize at RAC that success is never one person, and we're always looking at teams and how can we support you, because we know that if you are successful, then we are also successful. In a healthcare program at RAC, you will also have experiences regarding hands-on. So every healthcare program at RAC, where you will have didactic and you will be in the classroom and you will have lecture, you will also be out in clinical, in the real world, hands-on experience, communicating. You will either have a preceptor when you're in clinical, or you will have a faculty member. But that will really help to prepare you and help to prepare you regarding communication skills, on prioritization, and professionalism. So how can you prepare for a career at Reading Area Community College? I would suggest that you concentrate on math and science. Math and science are pivotal to success in a healthcare program. So as you prepare, and if you have any questions, I hope that you will contact me or someone at RAC. We would be more than happy to answer your questions, and I look forward to seeing you here. I hope I hear from you, and I hope I get to see you in the halls at RAC. Thank you so much.